Yeah.
We're gonna go fishing. Okay. Hey.
You never did let me see.
I ain't got a lot, but I think I got. We were watching movies.
Wayne, stop. Leave. You can go home now.
If we did build this out.
Hey, Dad.
Can you bring your gross butt outside and do that outside? No, Elaine! She's a heathen.
I know. Better them than me.
You are disgusting.
No.
Hmm.
You shithead.
Great ball. This is push.
Go on, hit it. Hey, Darwin.
You can got that $100 couch.
It's just a fart.
Smell that cushion you're sitting on.
Definitely not.
Jeez.
Answer a question and you waste the time.
You can have your phone.
Please go home and do that.
Are you done?
Yeah, well, the lighting is not good. So, just as an example, he's.
He's already. No, I'm simply here to inspire.
Fucking gross.
Who says she's too old? Leave it to me. People don't change.
I hate you.
It sounded.
Up and quit your whining.
Fucking stop! I'm trying to say what I gotta move it!
We can't prevent any more fuel from leaking into the ditches.
We don't want to end up with an environmental spill.
Stop!
Elena. She looked at the chair like she killed it.
What does a fart sound like?
You drive me insane sometimes. With that butthole. Dad, guess what my fart's gonna sound like?
Quack.
Hey, Mom, what's my fart gonna sound like? Okay, Mom and Dad. Mom, what's my fart gonna sound like? Dad?
Quack.
Dad, what's my fart gonna sound like?
Pop.
I wanna smell your arse.
Elaine, your colon will blow up when you have to have a colonoscopy.
I hate you.
My God!
Why does it fucking smell?
So bad!
So bad. They don't usually fucking smell. God damn. Ah. Fuck me.
I'm crying! Too bad!
Fucking warn me.
You go poop?
What are you doing, buddy? Mom!
What's wrong with you? Check your pants, Elaine.
That's a poop.
Shit on my couch. I'm telling you, your colon's gonna blow out.
Ow! Y'all, don't worry. Tyler farts on me too.
Elaine! Elaine, no. Stop.
It's just rusted, so you probably have to sandblast it.
I'm sorry.
You're not fucking sorry.
Good, you got us a wild hair.
That was wet.
Damn!
Jesus. What the hell? I'm trying to enjoy the show. And your ass is in my face screaming at me. Why?
3 days since the last donation.
You're fucking gross. You're far.
Pictures of you and Dad in Florida.
Raised her better than do all that stinky tick-tocking. Oh,
It stinks!
Push mower.
She just farted.
How did I know this one?
Dude, no! Point at the other one. Here.
Oh, why are you doing that to me?
Ow. Ow.
No.
I don't want it.
No, I don't want it either. The booty's closer to you.
But the butthole.
Does it
What's
stink?
wrong with you?
Does it stink?
What is wrong with you?
Do not! No, Mom!